Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos, helping you learn English fast. This morning I was teaching one of my online groups, and in this group I've just got 3 students. 2 of them are in Ukraine, in different cities, in Kiev and in Kharkiv, and one of them's in Russia, in Kazan. And at the start of the lesson, one of the students was complaining that she couldn't hear one of the other students. She said the sound was really bad, it was echoing, it kept breaking up, and she asked if everyone else could hear clearly. And I said, it's really weird because at my end everything sounds fine. We often talk about my end and your end when we're engaged in telephone conversations or some kind of digital communication. So, for example, when I've been phoning friends during lockdown, I'll often ask, hey, how are things your end? Is everything okay your end? Meaning where you are. In the same way, when I'm teaching or when I'm talking to friends using Zoom or whatever, I might say, things have just been crazy busy, my end. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, click the like button, share with friends, and please subscribe to the channel. And we'd love to see examples of how you might use my end, your end in the comments below. Thank you very much.